correct choice and application of the putty will contribute to a higher quality final repair. Let us see some guidelines to consider for optimising this process. Knowing the different types of putty on the market and their ability to adhere to each part, whether plastic or metal, will contribute to improving the application and sanding process. There are different types of putties: universal putties, light density putties, putties for plastic, aluminium putties, fiberglass reinforced putties, gun spray-on putty, or putties for small retouches. Before applying the putty, open the edges of the area to repair with a rough sandpaper, grit P80 or P20. Then increase the grit to tint the edges so as to prevent solvents from penetrating the patch. Once the edges have been sanded, clean the surface with an air gun and a suitable degreaser. It is important to mix the correct putty and hardener ratio. Please follow the instructions provided on the technical datasheet. Use weighing scales to ensure a correct mixing ratio. It is also important to calculate the amount of putty to be mixed depending on the room temperature. The higher the temperature, the less time you have for drying and applying the mixture. Make an even mixture without colour streaks by minimising the entry of air. Too much hardener will cause the putty to harden faster and may also result in possible stains or bleaching. On the other hand, too little hardener will prevent the putty from hardening sufficiently, which will hinder its sanding. Once the mixture is made, consider its pot life and apply it before it hardens. Spread evenly from one end to the other. This will remove the trapped air and a smooth and regular surface will be achieved. An excessive amount of putty may cause stiffness and cracking. Always follow the drying time established in the technical datasheet. The drying time is usually between 20 and 30 minutes at a temperature close to 20 degrees Celsius. This can be shortened using infrareds. Follow these tips for a fully optimised surface for sanding.